Pulling the clutch apart on the old compressor. Really just gotta get the center bolt out of the hub. And then I have this totally tasteful kit. I use my puller. Just run her on in as the clutch plate is threaded. And just hit her with some Uggy Duggies and away we go. Alright, now we're gonna pull 3 bolts, the little bitty bolts, hold the magnet on, then we get our brackets off and clean them and prep them for a new compressor. Snap rings are big. So good news, we don't have to take all this old yucky apart. Our new one came pre-assembled. It's the first time I got one pre-assembled. Yay, time savings. Alright, we cleaned up our brackets. We just cleaned them. We didn't paint them because the car is a survivor car. So we want to try to keep as much originality intact as we can. Got our brackets all assembled, bolted, nice and tight, looking good. Got our 3 itty bitty bolts holding our electromagnet on. Now we're gonna take our clutch assembly and take note that it is key weighed. Line that baby up. All right, it's in. It's in, and it's tight. You guys know my tight term, so I'm not even gonna say it. But it involves virgins and prom night, so anyway, put our little bolt in, and we can draw it in with the bolt. We just gotta be nice and gentle. So light Uggy Duggies, not hand of God Uggy Duggies. All right. Compressor, check. Clutch, check. Assembly time. Alright, pull the fan clutch, because we have a new one on the way. It's one of those while we're in there, preventive maintenance type deals. Cleaning up real quick the mating surface for the thermostat. Get that handled. Kent is vacuuming out the interior. I'm going to pull the towel screen off so he can clean in there. Okay, we've got that gasket surface nice and clean. It's not completely done yet. I'm going to hit it with a little brake clean and scrub it a little bit more with a razor blade. Kent's over there vacuuming away. Anyway, everybody's probably going to be like, why don't you use a roll lock on that? Or use this or use that? No. We give it the old-fashioned. By hand. Just like your mom used to do at Motel 6 for $10. Alright, thermostat and housing's all assembled. New stat is in. Housing is clean. Sealed, fresh gasket. Very thin coat of silicone just to make sure it stays put. Done deal. Alright, compressor mounted up on the brackets, thermostat all done. We're gonna change the temperature sender while we're in here. Dun, dun, dun. Get that done. Moving along. New temp sender. Temp sender, compressor, bracketry, pretty carb I did, which we gotta hook up the rest of the way, but that's coming. We're gonna pull the belts right now, get ready to do the new belts. Coming along.